Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Clapper app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you like this here, then you go down, just keep going down here, you click here on apps, you come to apps list here, then here you're looking for Clapper app, or just click on search down here at Clapper. It's going to show for you like this, click on it, come to next zip here, click on for stop, click on OK, then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.